Mainline Printing could be almost 6 different businesses if you wanted to truly carve up each business segment that we have. It's a true family business, which I think a lot of customers enjoy working with us for that reason. The 2 big investments that we have made in 2021 and upcoming in 2022 are a new Komori advanced 6-color 40-inch press, and the primary target for that machine was packaging, trading cards, but also some general commercial work. The other investment is another holographic laminator that will hopefully be running at the end of this year, 2022.
I have a great friend at Komori, Dave Cott, who was on the installation of our first press in 1989. If I have an issue, Dave is quick to just help me with that issue. Komori does not ask me for a PO when I call and say, I need to speak to an electrician or I need to speak to a mechanic to figure out a problem. We have a great relationship. They know we're going to work it out. We're smart on this end. They're smart on their end, and we get through issues quickly. The sad thing is I don't get to speak to Dave a lot because we just don't have that many issues.
Komori as a manufacturer has kept up with what we've needed as our business has changed and grown over the years. And the newest press, the advanced GL640, it's a traditional 6-color conventional press, which we looked at all our impression counts, impressions by product. It was pretty clear we just needed a regular conventional press, and it's been fantastic. As we've grown, we've looked at different press manufacturers, and every time we keep coming back to Komori as a slam dunk decision to bring in another machine. A good representation of the labor challenges that we face is you have to continuously evaluate how you can get more throughput with the same number of employees. And so one of the things we always look at is how can we take 2 machines and combine them into one larger machine and combine the 2 crews, because the hiring challenges that are out there are very real. And so that's another reason why you have to invest in more technology, more speed, more automation. And we feel like every time Komori fits that bill. You know, we've had the president of Komori from Japan visit this facility, and they're invested in us continuing to grow, which is not always the case with every equipment manufacturer or vendor or customer or whatever. We feel like they go above and beyond to take care of us, and we're grateful for that.